In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the mulch plug onto a Cub Cadet ZT1 50-inch. This model here has a 50-inch fabricated deck, and this is the official Cub Cadet mulch plug. If you get the kit, it also comes with the blades, but they're already installed. To install the mulch plug, I need you to find two things. I need you to find this hole right here, and I need you to find this bolt back here. This may not be installed, it may come with the kit, so you may need to install this through the deck and then secure it in place. Bring in your mulch plug and you're going to see a couple of different things. You got this outer lap here. That's going to sit in this channel right here. This inner bit right here is going to sit on this flat here. And because this only goes so far back, it's going to meet this piece right here where it starts to go up towards the rear of the deck. Take your mulch plug. This is going to go to the front. It's going to slot it in. It's going to go in through that hole. And as you're slotting this in, push the bottom in. And then you can lift the back piece up and over the bolt. You can see how that sits there, nice and flush with the deck. Take your wing nut and secure that in place. And that's how to install the mulch plug onto a Cub Cadet zero turn with a fabricated deck.